Hello students, today I am going to talk about George Orwell. George Orwell's original name is Eric Arthur Blair. George Orwell was born on 17 August 1903 in Motihari in Bihar, India. Later, he went to London, England to study there. George Orwell was a novelist, essayist, and critic. His best known novels are Animal Farm, which appeared in 1945, 1984, it appeared in 1949, and Burmese Days, it appeared in 1934. George Orwell was a man of strong opinions who addressed some of the major political movements of his time, including imperialism, fascism, and communism. Now let me talk about the works of George Orwell. George Orwell was a prolific writer. He wrote fictional works as well as non-fictional works. His fictional works include Burmese Days, 1984, and Animal Farm. His non-fictional works include essays, literary and non-literary, political essays, and others. Animal Farm is a very famous novel of George Orwell. Animal Farm is an anti-Soviet satire in a pastoral setting. It describes two pigs as its main protagonists. These two pigs are said to stand for Joseph Stalin and Leon Trotsky. The novel brought great acclaim and financial rewards to George Orwell. Animal Farm is a novel about animals. It is a brilliant political satire. Through this satire, George Orwell attacks on the communism and governance in Soviet Russia, which was known as USSR. In the USSR, there was communism. Communism ruled over there. It claimed to be one of the best governments of the 20th century. But as a matter of fact, communism had great loopholes. George Orwell looked into the defects, loopholes of communism, and he brought them into focus. through animal characters. George Orwell wants to say that men are like animals. The tendency of animals and man remains the same. Just as men are motivated by loves and fishes, selfishness, profits, gains, in the same way, people run countries or rule over the countries, keeping in view all these principles. Animal farm is run there. Animals manage all the affairs. Everything goes well in the animal farm. But Mr. Jones takes over animal farm and he interferes into the ruling and governance of animal farm. He takes over the rule of animal farm, and animal farm, which provides much freedom and liberty for the animals, for the brother animals, man managed a farm takes all the rights, and men begin to rule over the farm in their own way. Profit and gain are the only motives behind their rule, behind their governance. It speaks of the governance of today. Thus, Animal Farm is a brilliant satire on Soviet Russia. The novel was much criticized later. However, Animal Farm becomes one of the best novels of the 20th century. This book is read by the readers of novels all over the world with great interest. In my next video lecture, I shall discuss the major themes of Animal Farm. I think my students must have understood the life and works of George Orwell. In my next class, I shall talk about the dominant themes, the important themes of Animal Farm. Those themes and subjects will be more relevant for the university examinations. Thank you very much.